Joining us right now is the CEO of InvestDiva.com, author of Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, Kiana Danial. Kiana, great to have you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
So, investing in Bitcoin and in cryptocurrency, tell us about that.
So, cryptocurrency is a little bit different than your usual assets. Well, even if you want to call it an asset, some people don't want to do it, well, namely Warren Buffett. But to me, cryptocurrency is somewhat a cross between Forex, foreign exchange, and an asset like a stock. And it is a little bit weird to invest in because people just don't know about it. And the hype in 2017 got a lot of people scared because we had the bubble. It went up to $20,000, and then it came crashing down. We saw it coming because just everybody was getting into it without any proper education. And now it's just getting to a point that in the past 2 years, we've had the time, like the cryptocurrency and the blockchain industry as a whole had a time to really evolve the industry. And
do you think it's a good investment?
Yeah, 100%. Not only Bitcoin, but not for everybody. Of course, you have to know your risk tolerance. You got to know which one you're investing in. There are 2,000 cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin that you might want to look into.
How do you value it? It's not like a stock. A stock is you own part of a company, and the company produces things, sells things, and you have the rights to a part of that revenue and the profits, and that's how you value what that share is worth. But this is like cross your fingers and pray to God that it goes up.
No, not exactly. So the technology behind the cryptocurrency market is something called blockchain technology, which is revolutionary. And even people who don't like crypto know that blockchain technology is not even 10 times more bigger than the internet when it was first introduced. So you evaluate the cryptocurrency from not only the blockchain technology behind it, but also, let me ask you a question. How do you value or evaluate gold? Or
I think
US
gold's
dollar?
a horrible investment. I say it's like investing in a box of dirt. That's what I think gold is worth.
And I don't even think of gold
I
as
consider
a commodity.
crypto kind of in the
No
same
longer.
thing. It's
I consider gold a hedge. Right? You think markets are going to go down. You want to hedge yourself. You want something that's tangible that you can hold.
like my shoes.
Right, or your button. I mean, so that's the
right.
thing. So cryptocurrency, that's why I call it a cross between an asset and a currency. It's because, well, what is gold? What is $100 bucks? It's something that has value just because you give value to it. Because gold by itself, the best use case for it is it transmits electricity, and you can't even.
Currency has some depth to it. Cryptocurrency doesn't. What depth is there to the currency?
Right. It's the blockchain technology behind it, and the fact that you don't pay commission fees on it, that you can bank the underbanked. There are so many things they can do with cryptocurrency that you can't with crypto.
Kiana, thank you so much. Kiana Danial. Apple is losing in court. That's next.